Alright guys, so welcome back to part 2 of this computer fixing crap. So as you can see, I just booted up. I pressed F12. Now this is what booted up. So I think I'm gonna have to boot up the BIOS. So let's try and check it out. So system information, BIOS version, yada yada yada, DDR3. There's the specs right there. So I got i7-2620 CPU running 2.7 gigahertz. I got 2 core count processor, 206A7. My current clock speed is 2.7 gigahertz. Minimum clock speed 800, max 2.700. Processor cache, yada yada yada. Alright, so yeah, battery is on 0. Yeah, that's charging right now. System configuration, load default. Load all default settings. Current settings will be lost. Yes. Okay, apply. Alright, this should be all good. So, wait, let's check video. Video brightness, security, no. Performance, Intel speed. Wait, Intel speed disables Intel speed mode. Processor, highest performance of the state processor, disabled. Enabled. Right, that's enabled. Turbo boost, yeah, is enabled. Hyper-thread control, yeah. Alright, wireless maintenance logs. Alright, so I think this should be good. I don't know what the hell happened, but let's see if this works.